So you want some pancakes, but you don't have or don't want to use flour. Today we fix that with these super easy, very macro-friendly, flourless pancakes made using one of my favorite cheap ingredients, chickpeas. This whole recipe only takes around 10 minutes to make, so let's just jump right into it. Start by taking out a food processor or really powerful blender. We're gonna make it easy and just add all of our ingredients into it, starting with 2 large whole eggs, half a cup of milk or milk substitute, 1 can of drained and rinsed chickpeas, which by the way, have a pretty neutral flavor, so as long as you add other flavors to a recipe with chickpeas, you more than likely won't even taste them. Continue with 1/4 cup of peanut butter or other nut butter, 2 scoops of this vanilla Labrada Nutrition 100% whey protein powder, or switch it up with some MRP chocolate peanut butter. Both I'll link to below. A little salt and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Process or blend everything together until smooth like this. Here's where you could lightly mix in other things to your batter, like chocolate chips, fruit, and so on. Now take out a stovetop pan, turn your burner on medium heat, coat your pan with some non-stick cooking spray, and add some of your mix into your pan once it heats up. You should cook each side for around 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat until all of your mix is gone. With this one, I usually make 2 servings worth since we're using a whole can of chickpeas. Could cut the recipe in half, but who wants half a can of chickpeas sitting around? Now before I end this, I have one question for you guys. Chocolate or vanilla? Let me know in the comments below. With that, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out Labrada Nutrition's line of protein powder and other delicious things in the description below. Subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already so you never miss a video. And of course, stay healthy. Also, hit that thumbs up button too if you liked the video.